In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable options on Webull application. So first of all, of course, I would like you to go and download Webull application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign up to create your account. Of course, if it's not your first time using the application, or if you already have an account, just go, ignore all of that, log into your account, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. So for me here, I'm just going to open my Webull application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So that is actually here my main screen or my home screen. For you, if you are using the latest version, not like me, this is just for testing. So you will have another main screen. It will be an option here in the middle, not the news, of course. So of course, if you want to enable options, as I said, so to access options trading on Webull mobile app displayed below, you first would like to navigate to the stocks detail page. So of course, maybe the markets, and here you'll find actually the stocks in the United States. You can even find the cryptos on the whole world, or you can even click here on global and see like the wall, maybe forex, maybe best performing industries, and etc. So of course, just go to the stock that you want, or navigate to the stock details page that you want, of course. Or sorry, not that you want, because we would like to enable options. So just navigate to the stocks detail page, then click on option button at the bottom of the page. Then you can now select options you would like to trade. So as you can see, I would like, as an example, let me just scroll down. So of course here you will not find anything. So just scroll down, as I said. Let's keep scrolling. So here, let's see as an example one of them. So just go and click on that. And here, as you can see, you can even read the news, analysts, or even the company of this option or stock that you want. Of course, here you can find the auction crossing NOII. And if you scroll down, you find all the details that you want about this trade, the stocks maybe, or the charts of this token or whatever it is. So that will be actually for the tutorial. I hope you guys like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.